Yeah.
Oh my god, you're sorry.
Roll over.
No, I'm sorry. I'm the one who's come to your house uninvited, so unprofessional. But I read your script, and I love it. I really do.
Really?
Yeah, and honestly, like, I think that
Roll
you
over,
write,
Jamie.
it's so beautiful.
Oh, you're almost there.
Seriously, it's distracting for me.
Thank you
Roll over.
for reading it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just teenagers singing about homework.
Yeah, but no, I read it and I was like, God, I want to like drive over there and tell him in person. So I did. I got in my car and here I am. You know, it's just crazy.
I'm
Now when I'm saying it out loud, it's crazy.
It's not crazy. I mean, thank you for reading it.
No, I emailed it to Megan. And,
Oh, shit.
Yeah, and we'll see what she says.
Wow.
Yeah, I told her she'd be crazy to not like it. But then again, she was a functioning psychotic, so it's like, who knows. So there is this extra episode right before the break, and they are going to hire a freelancer.
You gonna roll over again?
Too much about this, but
Yeah.
You want
what?
Who's that?
Yeah, sorry, what were you gonna...
to hang out?
Oh, that's crazy. I was like, what's he gonna say? And you said that. It's not what I thought you were gonna say.
It's like, I'm too.
That is a shame.
This is harder than it looks.
Okay. Merry
You can
Christmas.
do it, baby.
Fuck no.
Roll over. The little one said, roll over. Roll over. You're slobbing all over the place.
Can I say something?
I'll help you.
And don't take this the wrong way because we know I'll be your friend no matter what.
Ooh, ooh.
You've been kind of a crazy man lately.